In this video, we'll be looking at the checker tool, found in the Tools of the Lesson Activity Toolkit. The checker tool allows us to drag words into it, and it'll tell us instantly whether it's correct or incorrect. So here's the example they provided us. I'm going to take this answer, drag it in. It's the incorrect answer. I'm going to take this word and now drag it in. That's the correct answer. And correct. And correct. It is a great tool that gives instant feedback. We just need to set it up correctly so that it works properly, and you can have multiple checker tools on one page, as this example shows us. So where do I find the checker tool? If I click on the Gallery tab, go into Lesson Activity Toolkit and click on Tools at the bottom, and then check below, you'll find the checker tool. I can either add this by dragging it or double clicking on it. How does the checker tool work? It has the two handles, the resize and the options. Simply click on the options, and this allows me to put in the correct answer that's going to be used. Firstly, you'll see that there's case sensitive and password. Case sensitive means if you start with a capital letter, the children will need to use the word with a capital letter. Password, if you want to keep this protected and you don't want the children to change it, you can add a password. The problem with adding passwords is we often forget what the password is and we can't go change it later. So we have to go create a whole new one. You will simply type in the word or words and click OK. You then need to get the word here, so we can either type it and then drag it in, and that will be correct. Any other word and it won't be correct. Another way in which this can be done is the students can come to the board and they can write down the word. However, they would need to convert it to text because the checker tool doesn't accept ink. So we click on the drop down, recognize text, and then add it in, and that's how it would work. Let's have a look at a quick example on how we can use this in a lesson. Here the students need to label the Cartesian plane. What we've done is added a picture, added some label lines and 3 checker tools. We've gone ahead and we've already typed in the answer. None of them are case sensitive. Now for the students to come and drag in the correct word. An ideal solution is to infinite clone each of these words, so that if they do make a mistake, they can come back and they can drag another option in. So select all of them, right click, click on infinite cloner, and then they can drag it in. Correct, correct, and there we go. This is a great tool for instant feedback, and the students really enjoyed doing it. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.